welcome back, beer drinkers. We've got a great episode for you today. We're going to flash back to one of our previous episodes where we made some bratwurst, and then we're going to combine that with one of our other favorite foods. Yeah, that's right, we're making bratwurst pizza. My buddy Heath at Unhinged Barbecue has been bugging us to make this pizza, and we're finally getting it out. So, I don't know, Disco Bob, what do you think?
Well, dude, I've been waiting for this for a long time, man, since the 70s. I'm ready. I'm ready to go now.
Alright, so check it out. Alright, we've got our two pizza doughs right here. They're 8 ounces each. I just took them and I rolled them out in some flour, pressed them out, and then I threw them on the pizza screen just for convenience. And then we've got our bratwurst sauce right over here. Just added a little bit of cornstarch to it to thicken it up. This is the same recipe sauce that we used in the bratwurst video.
That reminds me of the times when I was back in the 70s. Believe it or not, I was in the 70s. See, I used to have a little bratwurst before I went to the discotheque. Gave me some energy so I can twirl around with the disco ball. You know what I'm talking about. Hey, you're putting a little sauce on there.
You can see those onions in there. Man, that looks good. That's gonna be delicious. And I'll tell you what, I think that was just about the right amount of sauce. Definitely not enough for 2 pizzas. And after the sauce, we're going to put on a little bratwurst. We just shaved this real thin with a mandolin. This is bratwurst that we've already cooked per the style or per the instructions in our bratwurst video. So be sure to check it out.
You're going to put a little bratwurst on there. You're placing it nicely, the way I used to place my feet on that dance floor. And, oh, you got it all nice and uniform, kind of like me, you know, my dressy snaps.
All right, I think we got that sufficiently covered. You know, I've never had bratwurst with cheese on it, but we needed some kind of binder. So I reached out to my relatives in Wisconsin, and they suggested just putting cheese curds on here. I didn't have any cheese curds, so I just got some mozzarella and provolone. I figured that would be good enough.
Then you got that, oh, you're putting a little cheese on that.
And then we will finish this off with a little bit of sauerkraut. Just gonna sprinkle a little bit. Try not to put too much because my wife hates sauerkraut.
Put some sauerkraut on there. You can put some. Some people don't like that. Some people like it, some people don't. But anyway, you're doing such a good job with that Brit. You're doing a good job, man. Keep it up, man. Keep it up. Keep going, dude.
All right, I think that is ready to go on the Blackstone oven. All right, Disco Bob, let's give it a try.
Let's go ahead, man.
Yeah.
Man, I would not want to be anywhere else right now than eating this, dude. Except one place when I was a young man playing high school football back in the 70s, I could throw that football over the mountain.
Oh man, I'll tell you what. I'd love to hear all about that.
Got a lot of stories.
Yeah, I'll tell you what, this is great pizza, and I'll tell you what, if you enjoyed this episode, be sure to share us with your friends, subscribe, and check out these other videos that we got over here. And until next time, remember, drink beer.
Mostly craft beer.
But not too much.
Not too much.